Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You start now. Remove any crusted chocolate gently with a spoon because scraping avoids pushing stain deeper. Next, press a white cloth to blot. Do not rub, so you lift fresh pigment. Once the surface moisture is reduced, mix 1 cup warm water with 1 tsp mild dish soap. This creates a gentle surfactant that breaks fats in hot chocolate. Make sure to test the solution on an inconspicuous spot to confirm color fastness before you continue cleaning the main stain. You now apply the soap solution sparingly with a clean cloth, working from the stain edges toward the center so you don't spread pigment. Press and lift repeatedly, short, firm blots, so the surfactant carries chocolate into the cloth. Once the stain lightens, rinse by dabbing with a cloth moistened with plain water to remove soap residue, because leftover soap can attract dirt later. Make sure to swap to a dry towel and continue blotting until the area feels only slightly damp. You finish by drying the spot thoroughly. Place a fan or low-heat hair dryer several inches away. Make sure to avoid high heat that can set stains. If a faint ring remains, mix 1 tablespoon white vinegar in 1 cup water and blot lightly. Vinegar neutralizes sugars and lifts residual color. Once dry, vacuum to restore nap. If despite these steps the stain persists, contact a professional cleaner. They use targeted solvents and extraction that household methods cannot safely replace.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.